Esterbrook fans are going to watch this one. They just re-released a really popular Estie. Let's unbox the Blue Moon. And it is a seasonal re-release, which means it's not actually joining their regular collection, so it won't be around indefinitely. It's going to end up sold out at some point. The Esterbrook Blue Moon Estie has a really beautiful resin made with varying shades of blue, and it's paired with gold trim. The Estie model you're probably already familiar with, but it does have a spring metal clip, a thin gold band at the bottom of the cap, and it also has a cigar-shaped silhouette. The section matches the rest of the pen, and it does have a stainless steel fountain pen nib plated to match the trim, and that's a Jovo nib. I also really like the way they make the threaded section so finished looking with those rings. We're unboxing the cartridge converter version. They did also release it as their new button piston fill. The Estie design is postable with a friction post. And when you order the Esterbrook Estie fountain pens that are a cartridge converter, it is standard international size compatible, so you can use it with any standard international size cartridges or converters, but it does come with your converter already installed in the pen. They did also package it in a custom box that I think is pretty classic and classy, but I do love that they incorporated their red canvas interior pin box inside. Don't miss out on this relaunch of the Esterbrook Blue Moon Estie. Shop at chalet.com.